In response to the Indian acquisition of French Rafale fighters, Pakistan ordered 25 Chinese-made J-10 fighters as an emergency requirement to counter Indian Air Force. China has already started delivering these jets to Pakistan after 8 months of contract signing. Pakistan inducted 6 number of these jets to its Air Force on a formal ceremony held on 11th March 2022. The Chengdu J-10, also known as Vigorous Dragon, is a medium-weight, single-engine, multi-role combat aircraft capable of all-weather operations, configured with a delta wing and canard design, with fly-by-wire flight controls, and produced by the Chengdu Aircraft Corporation for the People's Liberation Army Air Force. The J-10 is mainly designed for air-to-air combat, but can also perform strike missions. The airframe is constructed from metal alloys and composite materials for high strength and low weight. The airframe's aerodynamic layout adopts a tailless canard delta wing configuration. The cockpit is covered by a two-piece bubble canopy providing 360 degrees of visual coverage for the pilot. The controls take the form of a center stick and a throttle stick located to the left of the pilot. Due to the J-10's aerodynamically unstable design, a digital quadruplex redundant fly-by-wire flight control system aids the pilot in flying the aircraft. The cockpit has 3 LCD multifunction displays along with a Chinese-developed holographic head-up display, all of which are fully compatible with a domestic Chinese advanced helmet-mounted sight. According to Chengdu Aircraft Industry Corporation, J-10C equipped with an indigenous active electronically scanned array fire control radar and IRST sensor. The radar has a range of more than 200 kilometers and track hundreds of targets simultaneously. The J-10 is powered by a single turbofan WS-10 engine producing 140 kN thrust with afterburner. The aircraft's internal armament consists of a J-23 twin-barrel cannon located underneath the port side of the intake. Other weaponry and equipment is mounted externally on 7 hardpoints, to which 5,600 kilograms of either missiles and bombs, drop tanks containing fuel, or other equipment such as avionics pods can be attached. The WS-10 engine comes with ATBC control, which make J-10C a maneuverable aircraft. The HAL Tejas is an Indian single-engine delta-wing, multi-role light fighter designed by the ADA in collaboration with Hindustan Aeronautics Limited for the Indian Air Force and Indian Navy. LCA Tejas is a small tailless compound delta wing design with inherent relaxed static stability which necessitates the need for digital fly-by-wire flight control system for enhanced maneuverability. Apart from aluminum-lithium alloys and titanium alloys, carbon fiber composite materials are used in the construction of the Tejas. The composite materials constitute 45% of the airframe by weight and 90% by surface area, the highest among the contemporary aircraft. The extensive use of composite materials in the airframe not only makes the aircraft lighter but also gives high strength. The Tejas has a night vision goggles compatible glass cockpit, equipped with a domestically developed head-up display, 3 multifunction displays, to smart standby displays. The Tejas has hands-on throttle and stick arrangement to reduce pilots' workload. The cockpit is equipped with Martin Baker 16 LG00 ejection seat and canopy severance system developed by the DRDO for safe ejection. The Mark-1A aircraft features a new avionics suite centered on ELM 2052 SR radar or Uttam SR radar, their unified electronic warfare suite, an externally mounted self-protection jammer for enhanced survivability, instrument flight rules capability, onboard oxygen generation system for longer endurance. The LCA Tejas is currently powered by the General Electric F404-in-20 engine which produces 85 kN of thrust with afterburner. Both the aircraft, China's J-10C and India's LCA Tejas are highly maneuverable aircraft which have same delta wing configuration with relaxed static stability. The J-10C is a medium-weight category fighter whereas LCA Tejas is a light-weight category fighter. The J-10C has a built-in IRST sensor which gives J-10C an added advantage against Tejas. However, J-10C has certain disadvantages such as higher wing loading, untested and unreliable Chinese WS-10 engine and higher RCS compared to LCA Tejas. These disadvantages will be crucial in air-to-air engagement in highly contested BVR environment. With the deployment of S-400 system by India in Rajasthan and Punjab, the air combat scenario in the Indian subcontinent has changed. With powerful radars of S-400 system, the Pakistan Air Force movement can easily be tracked by IF deep inside Pakistan. So the next air engagement between PAF and IF may takes place over the Himalayas where the jets can mask themselves by flying between the hills. Though LCA Tejas is not a frontline multi-role fighter aircraft of the Indian Air Force, there is every possibility that of J-10 may end up facing LCA Tejas in an air combat scenario instead of French Rafale fighters. This is due to the limited number of Rafale fighter availability in the IF to face Pakistan Air Force while engaging the Chinese. Both the aircraft can carry modern BVR missiles in their arsenal. While J-10 can fire PL series missile like PL-10, PL-12 and PL-15 missile for aerial engagement, Tejas can fire a wide variety of modern Russian, Israel, Indian and Western BVR missiles such as R-77 Darby, Astra and Mica missiles. For WVR engagement, Tejas can carry R-73, Mica and Python missiles which are capable and battle-proven. Both the aircrafts are not battle-proven yet. However, both are more than capable and comparable aircraft for modern-day air combat, and probably the man behind the machine will win the air combat between the two if they face each other in future Indo-Pak or Sino-Indian war.